Hi everyone, Tim here from Giftship with a tutorial on how to configure a product options set for your store. So we can see here that the blocks added to any product options set are going to show up above the Add to Cart button on your product pages on your storefront. So on a product page here, beneath the currency and above the Add to Cart button, this is called your product form, and anything that we add to Giftship's product options set is going to show up there. So let's go ahead and build a product options set. So we'll click into the tool from Giftship's home dashboard and we'll go add new option set. So right here, the first thing that we're going to want to do is go to the settings tab. And here we can rename for internal purposes what this option set is going to be called. So you can configure as many option sets as you like, and naming them here can be helpful in terms of organizing them within your Giftship dashboard. If you ever need to make any changes to them, you can log in and see which one you're trying to access. So in this demo, we're going to go ahead and add an upsell and a gift message to this option set. So let's go ahead and name this option set. Then here we can choose to enable the option set, and we can choose whether to display it on all product pages or on specific product pages and specific collections. So here, if we only want to show this product option set on certain products within our store, we can choose those here. For now, we'll display this option set on all product pages. So let's go ahead and we'll add our blocks. So we go add block here, and here is our list of block options. So everything from a color picker, a banner, a drop down, all the way up to upsell, date picker, gift message. So let's go ahead and add an upsell block, and we'll go ahead and add a gift message block. So what we're going to try and do here is we're going to create an upsell that is a gift message upsell that is going to hide and reveal the gift message block using the conditional logic within the tool. So if a customer goes to this product page, they're only going to be able to add a gift message if they add the upsell. So let's go ahead and add our upsell option block here. So we're going to choose which product we want to upsell. So let's go ahead and just say that we're going to make this the upsell. So we'll go ahead and add that there, and you can see the preview section updates over here. And then in terms of display rules, we're going to choose to always display this option set. So we're not going to make it conditional on anything. And then the format, we can choose through this these different design styles for our upsell. So we see here, this is the modern list. We can add a carousel if we have multiple products, a compact carousel if we have multiple products, an image row, a checkbox list, a drop down, etc. So right now, let's just make it a modern list, and let's go ahead and make that a bundled upsell. So what that means is that when we add this upsell on the product page and we click add to cart, those two products, the base product and the upsell, are going to travel through the cart, checkout, the rest of the checkout process together. So they're going to be bundled together. And then on the back end, you're going to see those again bundled together with the price updated accordingly. So we have our upsell created there. Now let's go ahead and set up our gift message. Once again, all the optionality for the specific block is right here. So we can add a character limit, set the maximum message characters. We can choose to always display the form input fields. We can choose to display the gift message options only when the is this a gift box is checked. For now, let's just always display the message options since the hide reveal is under this upsell product anyway. And then we can choose to make those message fields required. We can go ahead and add an additional input. All the option blocks are going to have their own sets of kind of configuration options here. The date picker is going to have lots of optionality around which dates you want to show, etc. So in terms of display rules, let's go ahead and make this gift message block only viewable if the upsell is selected. So on the storefront, only if the upsell is added is this going to display. So we have lots of conditional logic options baked in here. You can add different upsells on different product pages, configure unique option setups on different products. So there's lots of optionality here. So let's go ahead and save this option set here. So you're going to see it saved here, upsell and gift message. And then if we ever want to edit this, we can just pop in here and we can edit the options anytime. We can go ahead and add a new block. So it's fully no coding required. It's all configurable right there within the Giftship dashboard. So let's go ahead and refresh our product page here. And now we're going to see that upsell, that product option set that we created show up here in the product form as mentioned. So here we see our upsell product, and if we click add there, then we're going to see that gift message block add in. So we'll go ahead and add in some information there, and then when we press add to cart, Giftship's sorry, I already had a product in there. Giftship's drawer cart's going to trigger here, and then we're going to see that base product as well as the bundled upsell come through together here. And the subtotal of those two items is going to update right here. So that's a quick tutorial on how to configure Giftship's product options tool. Again, you can create as many option sets as you want to display on different products or collections. And then within each product option set, you can add that conditional logic to adjust how you want those option sets to display on your store. If you have any questions about configuration, we're always happy to hop on a video call to help set up your store, help with onboarding. So just reach out to us at support@gist-apps.com.